The problem is from probability J main 2026 question, and it is like this. A bag contains 6 blue and 6 green balls. Pairs of balls are drawn without replacement until the bag is empty. The probability that each drawn pair consists of one blue and one green ball is, these are the options you have to select. Okay. So see how the question is saying that you are having 6 blue balls and 6 green balls. Okay. Out of that, pair has to be drawn. Pair drawn without replacement. This is very important. Without replacement means and until the bag empty. Until bag empty means you are taking 2 balls every time and not replacing it back, and you are doing this step until the bag becomes empty. Means out of 6 plus 6, 12 balls are all together. You are taking out 2 balls every time, and this process will be repeated without replacement until bag becomes empty. So you can imagine if you take out 2 balls, then you will have 10 balls remaining. Then again you will take out 2 balls, 8 balls remaining. Again you will take out 2 balls, 6 balls remaining. Again you will take out 2 balls, 4 balls remaining. Again you will take out 2 balls remaining. Yes or no? Again you will take out 2 balls completely. So this will be your total number of taking out of balls required, these many steps. Okay. But what is your favorable step? The favorable step is this. It is saying the probability that each drawn pair consists of one blue and one green ball. Means every time whatever you are taking out must contain one blue and one green ball in each the 6 steps, because in 6 steps your bag will become empty. Okay, so this is the restriction, that every time once blue balls and every time one green balls has to be taken out. That probability you have to find out. Okay, and before that I have discussed, only randomly take out 2 balls one by one until the bag becomes empty and without replacing it. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. So your required probability will be, if you have understood these steps how it is working, that one blue and one green each time, and without replacement is always there. Okay, so required probability will be your first time 6c1 into for the blue balls and 6c1 for one green balls divided by the total probability 12c2, just now I have discussed. This will be your first case. Second case, you are left with 10 balls, means 5 of each color. So 5c1 for the blue, 5c1 for the green, and 10c2 for the total. Clear? Now come to the next. Now you have 8 balls, 4c1 into 4c1 divided by 8c2, because 8 balls are left, 4 of each color. Now 6 balls are left, 3 of each color. So 3c1, 3c1, 1 for blue, 1 for the green, and 6c2. Now you have how many left? 4 balls, 2 of each color. So 2c1 into 2c1 divided by 4C2. Now you have two balls left, one of each color. So 1C1 into 1C1 divided by 2C2. That's all. 6 steps completed. Now you simplify 6 into 6 upon 12C2. You will see 2 6 66. It will be 5 into 5. 10C2 you will get 2 5s, 5 9 45. 4C1 into 4. 8C2 2 4 4 7 28. That you know. 3 into 3. 62 means 2 3 3 5 50. Directly I am writing it. Now 2 into 2. 4C2 means 2 2 2 3 6. Into this is 1 by 1. Everything is 1. Now you can cancel out the things. So 5 9 ja, and this 9 will be cancelled out with these 3. Clear? Again this 6 with 11, this 4 7, and this is your 15. So 5 3 ja, 2 3 ja. So again this 3 2 ja. Okay, so what are you left with in the numerator is 2 into 4 into 2. In the denominator 11 into 7 into 3. So this is your getting 16 upon 2 3 1. This is the answer. Okay, so simple the question was. See, 16 by 31. This is the answer. Thank you.